Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to explain what is specific storage and what is storativity. Let's start. In a saturated porous medium that is confined between two impermeable layers of rock or clay, water will be stored in the pores of the medium by a combination of two phenomena. The first one, water compression. The second one, aquifer expansion. When aquifer fills with water, as you see here, it's filled. Let us explain. As water is forced into the system at a rate greater than it is being extracted, the water will compress and the matrix will expand to accommodate the excess, as you see here. Density of water increases because water is under pressure. The density increases and it exerts force to these two layers. It tries to expand the aquifer. And also here, as you see, Q in higher than Q out. So it exerts force to the walls of the aquifer or of the tank. Specific storage definition. In a unit volume of saturated porous matrix, the volume of water that will be taken into storage under a unit increase in head, or the volume that will be released under a unit decrease in head, is called specific storage. The formula is mu sub S. Mu sub S is a symbol for specific storage. It equals rho G times open bracket alpha plus porosity times beta closed bracket, where alpha is aquifer compressibility, rho is fluid density, n is porosity, g is gravitational acceleration, beta is water compressibility. The unit has a dimension 1 over L and is quite small, usually 0.0001 or less. Let us visualize the definition. We have a unit volume, 1 meter length, 1 meter width, and 1 meter depth. Let's see the aquifer. We have the system. Let us extract a volume of water by a drop of unit head. As you see, that is the explanation for the definition of specific storage. Why specific storage unit is 1 over L? Let's explain. Meter cube is the volume extracted over the volume of the aquifer over the head, which is meter. These two volumes cancel each other. So remains 1 over meter equal to 1 over unit of length. Storage coefficient or storativity. Storage coefficient, its symbol is mu star, is the volume of water removed from a unit area of an aquifer for a unit drop in hydraulic head. It is a dimensionless quantity. In confined aquifer, the value of storativity ranges from 0.005 to 0.0005. In confined aquifer, it's equal to the specific storage times the thickness of the aquifer. But in confined aquifer, it's equal to the thickness of the aquifer times the specific storage times the specific yield. In the future tutorials, we will explain what is the specific yield. Where B is the saturated thickness of the aquifer, mu sub S is the specific storage, Sy is the specific yield. For unconfined aquifer, let us visualize the definition. As you see, we have a unit area, as explained in the definition. Let's extract a volume of water. A volume of water extracted for a unit drop of head. But for confined aquifer, as we see, the head higher than the surface level of the aquifer. Let us extract a volume of water. That is the visualization of the storage coefficient definition. Why storage coefficient or storativity is unitless? Let's explain. Volume of water over unit area of aquifer over unit of head, meter. These two cancel each other, remain meter over meter, which is 1. That's why it is a unitless. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.